coffee. It's my morning tradition. Every morning I go and get McDonald's coffee.
We can't beat the price point. What is it, a buck? Or?
$1.90 with the deal on the app. It's what I'm going to miss the most probably if we have to move. But, you know, we're running out of space here, so we need to find a new spot. It's been almost a year, or at least ends next month. And so this was, it's supposed to be 200 square foot, I think, on paper. I think it's a little less. I actually want to get like the tape measure out and kind of measure it, because I think what happened is the place next to us was 200 square feet and this was like 190. And so I wanted to save some money. But now, you know, we were much smaller back then. It was just me and like 2 other people, or like a helper. Now we have 5 people that come into the office, and now Jesse comes in the office on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So it's getting a little bit cramped. We need more parking space. We need more storage space. So it's just time. And it's been really difficult to find places that offer like ample amount of parking. So it's starting to make me a little nervous because we're running out of time. But so we're gonna go and check out a place today in Monrovia. It's about 1,500 square feet. So it's gonna be like, what is that, 7 times the size that we currently have, and some secured parking, so that'll be good. So we'll go out and check that out at 1 o'clock, and then we will go out to the job site and see the guys. They're doing a big job. It's like $2,200, I think. So there'll be 3 of them out there doing the work, and we should get some pretty cool shots there and checking with them. But it's a hot one. The AC in here is not working. It's like, this office is kind of a wreck. So it's literally just concrete walls and concrete floors, and it's like a insane asylum. So we need something new. It's hot, and we are just gonna get after it today. This thing just started. It's been super annoying. The building's falling apart on us.
Instance here. It's like we got about 15 feet.
15 feet over there, so we got 1.5 feet by 7, and then 15 feet by, moment of truth here.
So it looks like about 9'4".
9 foot, we'll call that 9.5 feet generous.
Yeah.
Alright, let me do the math here. So it's 142 plus, what was it, 10.5 originally?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so it's 153 square feet, so not even close to 200.
No.
I thought for sure it was going to be like 190, 180. So if we get a new office space, that's 1,500 square, that's 10
times.
10 times. Alright, so we are here. We're a little early. We have a 1 o'clock appointment at this location behind us. There's 2 spots I think we're checking out. One has a roll-up door in the back, so that's the one we're interested in. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's in a good area, but one thing's for sure, they already have 2 points in their favor of this spot. There's a 7-Eleven right next door, and there's also a Little Caesars, which could be very great, but also very devastating for my health.
Alright, we didn't show up.
Alright, so huge bust. The video, we could save the video, but the keys in the lockbox are gone, so we're gonna come back tomorrow and check it out. I'll film maybe some stuff on my phone, but we'll come back and we'll check it out. But so far, I mean, it's a cool building, right? It's like, it's just a shell inside, so, but I'm liking this. I'm feeling optimistic at least, so. Alright, cool, let's get out of here. For behind my desk.
Yeah.
Do you think just for behind my desk? Just hanging on the wall?